Hey everyone! Welcome to another exciting IPO update. Today, we have two interesting companies making their market debut, ATC Energies and Identixweb. If you're an investor looking for fresh opportunities, this video is for you. We'll cover their business models, IPO details, key dates, and what makes them stand out. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Let's start with ATC Energies. Their IPO will be open for subscription from March 25 to 27, with shares priced between rupees 112 and 118. Now, for those looking to invest, the minimum lot size is 1,200 shares, which means a retail investor needs to invest rupees 1,41,600. High net worth individuals, or HNIs, need to apply for at least 2 lots, bringing their minimum investment to rupees 2,83,200. The allotment happens on March 28th, and if you're allotted shares, they'll be listed on April 2. Exciting, right? But what does ATC Energies actually do? Let's find out. ATC Energies was founded in 2020 and operates in the booming energy sector. Their primary focus? Lithium and Li-ion batteries. These are essential for industries like banking, automotive, and industrial applications. The company started by making mini batteries for banking systems, but has expanded to customized energy storage solutions for various sectors. Their factories are located in Vasai and Noida, equipped with advanced technology for battery assembly. Given the growing demand for energy storage solutions, ATC Energies is definitely a company to watch. Next up, we have Identixweb. Their IPO runs from March 26 to 28, with shares priced between rupees 51 and 54. The lot size here is 2,000 shares, which means retail investors will need rupees 1,08,000 to apply. HNIs must apply for at least 2 lots, which will require rupees 2,16,000. The allotment is set for April 1st, and the listing will take place on April 3rd. Now, Identixweb operates in a completely different space compared to ATC Energies. Let's take a closer look at what they do. Identixweb is a technology company specializing in Shopify app development and web solutions. Founded in 2017, they have built over 35 public Shopify apps and completed more than 100 projects. Their expertise spans multiple technologies, including Node.js, PHP, and React. With a team of over 50 professionals, they cater to industries like e-commerce, fintech, and SaaS. If you're into tech stocks, this one might interest you. So, there you have it. ATC Energies focuses on lithium batteries and energy storage, while Identixweb is all about Shopify and web solutions. Both IPOs open in late March and list in early April, making them exciting opportunities for investors. But remember, IPO investments come with risks, so always do your research before applying. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Also, let us know in the comments. Are you planning to invest in any of these IPOs? See you in the next video. For more information on current and upcoming IPO, visit our website stockhoney.in.